Precision Door, a name you can trust.
Does cold weather affect garage doors? It absolutely does. When it's cold out, that's generally when a spring will break. It gets cold, the steel contracts, and they break generally in the middle of the night. When the door is closed, that's when the most tension's on that spring. It'd be 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, and the spring lets go. You go to open the door in the morning, you hit the button, and it opens a few inches and stops. The first thing you want to look at is that spring. The second thing you want to do is call the company out. You don't want to mess with that yourself. Have them come out and do a safety inspection. Make sure that the door is running correctly, that all the parts are lubricated, that nothing is catching, grinding, sticking. Usually it's not commonly known, but garage doors are extremely heavy. A door can weigh upwards of 300, 400, 500 pounds, and we never recommend that you try and adjust them yourself. If you do have a problem, leave it alone. Call the garage door company. Generally they can get the car out, and they can make some recommendations, if repairs are needed.
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.